In iPhone, by default, whenever you create a new note in your Note app, all of your notes will be stored in your iCloud account. So as you can see at the top left corner showing up all iCloud. So if I create a new note, the note will be saved in my iCloud storage. And now I'll show you how to use iPhone storage for Notes app instead of iCloud. Go to your iPhone settings app and here scroll down. If you're using iOS 17, 16 or 15, here you will find Notes app in settings. Just open Notes app and I'm using iOS 18, so here's some tapping on apps. And now here I'm scrolling down and searching for Notes, tapping on it. Once you're in Notes settings, here just tap on default account. And here, as you can see, by default, iCloud selected. So to use iPhone storage for your notes, you have to select here on my iPhone. And that's it. Now go to your Notes app and tap on these folders at the top left. And here, now you'll find on my iPhone. Just expand on my iPhone and tap on Notes. And now all you have to need on my iPhone section, you have to create your notes, and these notes won't be stored in your iCloud account. So that's how we can use iPhone storage for Notes app instead of iCloud. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.